In this video, we will show you how to file an underground storage tank maintenance fee return. We protect all the confidential information that you provide to us. First, go to the website cdtfa.ca.gov and at the top, click on Login. That will take you to the Online Services portal. In order to file an underground storage tank maintenance fee return, you must log in with a username and password. For assistance with creating a username and password, please watch our tutorials online. On this screen, you will see a list of available tax and fee programs. In this example, we are filing a return for an underground storage tank maintenance fee account, which falls under the Underground Storage Tank Maintenance Fee program. Then click on the File, Pay, and View link located here. On the CDTFA Online Services page, we will enter our username and password. Then click Login. On the portal homepage, under the Accounts tab, we will click on the Underground Tank Account hyperlink. This will take us to the Underground Tank account. Under the Periods tab, we will click on the File Return hyperlink for the period for which you would like to file. In our example, we will file for the third quarter 2019 period, which is displayed by its return end date of September 30th, 2019. You will then be required to report tank gallons by location for each registered site. Enter your total gallons of petroleum products placed into underground storage tanks at the applicable location in the field under Total Gallons Placed into Tanks. If you have additional underground storage tanks not listed, select Yes. For our example, we will add an additional underground tank location. We will proceed by selecting Yes and then click Next to continue. You will then click the Add a Record hyperlink located under Tank Gallons by location to add the unregistered location. A pop-up box titled Tank Gallons by Location will appear. You will be required to enter the street, city, and zip. Be sure to click the button stating Click here to verify address. Upon entering the address, follow the steps to verify your site address. Once your address has been verified, enter the assessor's parcel number and the total gallons placed into tanks for that location. Once you have entered all the required information, click Add to continue. You will then be taken back to the screen Report Tank Gallons by Location for Unregistered Sites. For this example, there are no additional locations to add. We will continue by clicking Next. This will take us to the summary of reported tank sites where we can review the total gallons placed into tanks. If you need to make any changes, click Previous until you reach the screen requiring changes. For our example, we do not have any changes to make. We will continue by clicking Next. We will then be asked if we collected more fee than what is due at the Excess Fee Collected screen. If you have collected excess fees, select Yes. You will be prompted to enter the excess fee collected. In this example, we have nothing to report for excess fee collected. We will select No and then click Next. At the summary screen, we will be provided with the total amount due and payable. Make sure to review your entries. If you need to make any changes, click Previous until you get back to the screen requiring changes. In this example, we have no changes to make, and we will click Next. Enter your required information and click Submit. When you click Submit, a window will appear to confirm your intent to file electronically and that your return is true, correct, and complete. Please read the information carefully. Enter your password and click OK to submit. This will serve as your authorization and confirmation. You will not receive a confirmation email. This confirmation page represents a return filing only. To make an electronic payment, click on the Make a Payment button. To print your submitted return, click on the Print Return button. If you have questions, please call our Customer Service Center at 1-800-400-7115.